YouTube video, but for today's video, I'm going to be learning how to make Nickelodeon edible slime. So what you're going to need is some milk and some vanilla pudding. But that's just for right now. But we're going to need the other stuff for later. So, first things first, grab your pudding, open it. It's weird. Looks like it's in a brown bag. Then what you're going to do is you're going to pour it in, all of it. Okay. Done with that. Then we're going to grab your milk. Oh, this is heavy. Okay, then you're going to pour 3 cups of it, okay? So, first, let's just get it to 1. Okay, this is the first cup. Let's pour it in. Okay. Ooh, that smells good so far. Wait a minute. Unsweetened applesauce? Unsweetened? Who did this? Okay. Second cup. Okay, now let's pour it in. We're gonna need 3 of these cups. So last cup, let's pour it in. And let's dump it. Okay, now you're gonna grab your whisk and you're just gonna mix it around. It should feel like a slime texture. Okay, let's just mix it. Almost. Mixy. I feel like it's almost ready. Just a little bit. Yeah. Do you guys think it's almost ready? Yeah, it's a little bit ready. This is actually going to be the first part. So for the second part, you're going to be needing another bowl. And this is when all the other ingredients come a part of it. But for right now, we're just making the pudding. And I think we're done. Now what we're going to do is that we're going to put your pudding in the refrigerator for 5 minutes, and then I'll see you guys when I come back. Bye.
A few moments later.
Hey guys, how's quarantine going? I just found out that my school is closed down for the rest of the school year. School's out? Yeah. Warning, only people got this. I'm sorry. Only people that can take the cringe can watch this. Forget that ever happened. Okay, kids. Okay, back to the video. Okay. So, this is the pudding. So now that it's finished, you're gonna pour it into the bowl. Okay. Why'd you dripping like that though? Okay. Now let's just scoop this out. Okay. Now we're done with that. So now we're gonna add the unsweetened applesauce. It's a fat-free food. Thanks, Mother. That's great. Trying to make me healthy. That's great. How much of this am I supposed to add? Nah, doesn't matter. I don't know. I don't know when to stop. But I think that's good enough. Or should I add more? Yeah, I should add more. Maybe the whole jar? Yeah, I should add the whole jar. Isn't that great? Okay, now let's stir. They see me rolling. They hating. Okay, sorry for the cringe. Okay, let's stir. That smells terrible. Okay, so let's mixy. Let's just show you. Okay, this is how it looks like so far. So, we're done with that. Now let's add the corn starch. Is cornstarch actually made from starch? I mean, corn? I mean, corn. Be right back. Okay, back. So let's just do this a more simple way. Told you, don't do this to your cornstarch. Okay, so let's add. I really don't know how much I'm supposed to add to this, but let's just whoa there. Okay, let's just mix the. I actually feel it starting to feel to slime. Oh my god, it does. Hold on. Oops. Everything's okay. Okay. It's actually kind of working. It's actually really getting really thick. Maybe we're supposed to add more of this? Oh god. Oh god. Did Satan just walk into this room? Because he just made, okay. Warning, bad jokes. Okay. Okay. Why does it be clumpy though? It's clumpy. I think that's how it's supposed to be, right? Okay, let's just mix. Let's add more cornstarch. Hope there's corn in here. It's gonna be really good to eat, you know? You know, I'm actually starting to actually feel it changing. Why are we making soup over here? Oh my god, I actually feel it changing a little bit. Cut that out.
Is that a chemical change or a physical change?
I never really learned my facts in school. I just usually... Funny story. On Roblox, I was at Roblox church, and then some kid says, takes out Bible, cuts open pages in Bible, puts Nintendo Switch inside, starts playing Super Mario. I just asked him if he wanted some pennies because I had a lot of pennies, you know? Like, everybody should have some pennies somewhere. It's kind of turning goopy. Oh my god, this slime is gonna go terrible. Because for tomorrow, we're gonna be doing a challenge where we're gonna be using this Nickelodeon slime and we're gonna be doing a trivia. So the trivia is for a surprise for tomorrow. Not unless that we have to be quarantined, but you know, everything's okay in life, you know? everything. That's okay. Ooh, let's draw. Yeah, so we're gonna be doing a challenge tomorrow, and for the challenge, we're gonna be doing a, what do you call it? Trivia. And if I lose the trivia and get the answers wrong, I have to dump this on my head. So, but for tomorrow's video, there's gonna be a bucket and a rope that we're gonna tie to the tree. So this would be inside and it will fall all over me, okay? This is gonna go crazy, but it's up for the challenge. And I think this is such a big slime, we're gonna need all of it. Squirt! And are you? Okay. Ooh, oh my God, look at it. Slime, slime, I really love slime. Love it so much that I make it all the rhyme. I mean, time. I make slime all the time. Keep. I think we need more. BRB. Okay. Time to handle this the more mature way. Doesn't cut. Okay. Well, let's just spin. Let's see what happens. It's like we're making soup. So, pretty sad. My school closed down for the rest of the school year. But I play Roblox and everything in life is gonna be okay. By the way, I don't really do my schoolwork, so don't tell my mom that, but sometimes I don't really doing my schoolwork. Secretly plays Roblox. Secretly. Shh. No one heard that. Okay, so let's keep on stirring and let's add a little bit more cornstarch. That was a lot, but it's okay. Okay. Oh my God, if I lose the trivia tomorrow, I'm gonna have to have this dumped in my head. Oh my gosh. This is gonna go out so bad. Look at this, it's so gloopy, it's gonna go all over my hair. Oh gosh. Okay, let's mix it. I'm sorry. Gonna have to use all of it because I feel like this is not gonna work. Yeah. So excited to eat this. You want to listen to some ASMR? Okay, hold on. Ready? Hashtag down below ASMR fails. Okay, so let's just keep on mixing. And let's just do this just a little bit more. And it's done. So tomorrow, it made us look goopy, but if you leave it out a little bit, it's actually gonna start to form into actual slime and it's actually gonna become really, really sticky and it's gonna be really, disgusting. So now what we're gonna do is that we're gonna put this in the refrigerator for like 20 minutes or so, probably a little bit more. But when we keep it in the refrigerator, it's actually gonna start to get really more slimish, and it's gonna go out really well. But it's not gonna go out really well for me tomorrow when we're gonna be doing this challenge. So thank you guys so much for watching. Hit that like button, subscribe, and get ready to see that challenge tomorrow. Bella Tunes out. Bye guys.